everyone, today we are going to create this presentation. Let's take a look. It looks great. Okay, let's start. At first we need to insert our new slide. In the new slide we need to insert two triangles in this ordinate. Increase it a little. Now rotate it and put it here and make a copy of them and rotate it and put it also here. Now select both of them, go to shape outline, set the shape outline to none and select both of them. Format object. For the color we are going to use this color but with a little difference. I'm going to reduce the transparency of the top one and the transparency of the low one. Then copy the Copilot icon that I downloaded, paste it here, and the text. Now copy this slide for the alignment, bring it out, bring it out, bring it out, bring it out. Now just set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. It's looking perfect. Please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the channel.